Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve examples of exercise 16A. One question is written here. Example 1. Prove that any two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So, let ABCD be a parallelogram. A, B, C, D be a parallelogram. Let A, B, C, D be a parallelogram. Then, then to prove that then to prove that angle A plus angle B. Prove that the any two adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, angle A angle B, angle B angle C, angle C angle D, and angle D angle A. So we have to prove that angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Equal to 180 degree. So prove. Since DA parallel, since DA parallel, since DA parallel BC and AB is a transversal. DA parallel BC, AB is a transversal. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree by consecutive interior angles, co-interior angles. Similarly, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree, and angle D plus angle A equal to 180 degree cubed. Understand and write it. Students, next question is example 2. In this question, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are as 2:3 in the ratio of 2:3. Find the measure of each of its angle. First of all, draw a figure of a parallelogram. ABCD be a parallelogram. So let ABCD be a parallelogram in which adjacent angles of a parallelogram are as 2:3. So in which angle A equal to 2x and angle B equal to 3x. Angle A 2x, angle B 3x. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of two adjacent angles. 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 That implies angle A is 2x, angle B is 3x, so 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degree. That implies 5x equal to 180 degree. Next step is x equal to 180 degree by 5 equal to 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. Left 3 30. 5 6 is 30. 5 6 is 30. So that implies x angle A equal to, therefore angle A equal to 2x equal to 2 into 36 degree equal to 72 degree. Angle B equal to 3x equal to 3 into 36 degree equal to 108 degree. Now angle C equal to angle A. Angle C equal to angle A and angle B equal to angle D equal to 72 degree. Opposite angles are equal. So opposite angles. And angle D equal to angle B. Angle D equal to angle B. Angle B equal to 108 degree. It is also opposite angle. Opposite angles are equal. So answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is example 6. In this question, in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. AO and BO. AO and BO are the bisector of angle A and angle B respectively. Prove that angle AOB is right angle. Angle AOB is angle AOB equal to 90 degree. So let ABCD be a parallelogram in which AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A and angle B To prove that angle AOB equal to 90 degree. So prove angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle. Sum of adjacent angles. That implies half angle A, both side half. So half angle A plus half angle B equal to half angle 180 degree. That implies half angle A equal to angle OAB. Angle OAB plus half angle B equal to angle OBA. Angle OBA equal to half angle 180 degree equal to 90 degree. Equation 1. Now in triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle OAB, this angle, plus angle OBA, this angle, equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. That implies angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA. OAB plus OBA equal to 90 degree. Equal to 180 degree by equation 1. By equation 1. That implies angle AOB equal to 180 degree plus 90 degree by transposition change into minus 90 degree. 180 degree minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. Proved. Understand and write it. Students, next, and it is today last question. Question number 8. Example 8. The length of a rectangle is 8 cm and each of its diagonals measures 10 cm. Find its breadth. ABCD rectangle. A, B, C and D. Diagonal AC is 10 cm and length 8 cm. Find its breadth is BC. Angle B 90 degree. In rectangle ABCD, AB equal to CD. Its length 8 cm. Angle B equal to angle A equal to angle C equal to angle D. 90 degree. Each angle is right angle. Diagonal AC equal to BD equal to 10 cm. Now in right triangle ABC. Now in right triangle ABC. AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. That implies AB square means 8 square plus BC we have to find, so BC square AC square equal to 10 square. 8 square 64 plus BC square equal to 10 square 100. That implies BC square equal to 100. 64 by transposition minus 64 equal to 36. That implies BC equal to under root 36 equal to 6 cm. Answer. Write it. Students, today your homework is solve examples of exercise 16A. Thank you. That's all.